Tell us, who is IBRAH?
Well, IBRAH is my younger brother, my little brother. We grew up together, and he's been able to attend to school to some level. And then he got into business, and then he started his own business, and he was doing well. But somewhere along the line, he had issues.
My producers are saying you talk like you are talking to your girlfriend.
Well, I have to match
so
my voice,
speak a bit louder. Yeah.
Okay. And he started business, and the Forex business, and he has been able to do well for himself till he had issues along the line. That is when IBRAH's issues started. And I don't know what happened, and then he started behaving strangely. Yeah, IBRAH is humble, like respectful, shy. IBRAH, I don't think the IBRAH we used to know should be able to sit like me and then talk to people. He's very shy, very, very shy. And then generous, humble. But when things started going wrong for him, he started behaving in a way that it is not...
It looks awkward.
It looks strange. Nothing of that sort comes from our family. We all have had a very good upbringing. Our father was a very good religious man. Not the one you showed on TV right now. Very good religious man.
I see.
And he gave us the best training you can ever think of. So I don't know if it was...
Let me ask this question. Are you guys Ghanaians? Are you Ghanaians?
By birth.
By birth?
Yeah.
I see. Your mom, your dad?
But if I say by birth, my father comes from Niger, my mother comes from Niger. But they give birth to us here. So we don't have any other country. We are Ghanaians. But people say it's Fulani, he's not a Ghanaian or something. IBRAH is a Ghanaian.
You dispute that, correct?
IBRAH is a Ghanaian.
I see.
I am a Ghanaian.
Now, what time or when did you hear that your younger brother has issued a threat to Chairman Agyapong that he should come out to apologize? He's giving him 24 hours, and that his failure to do so, he's coming after him. In
2018, let me take you back. In 2018,
and even by extension, he threatened the president.
Yeah,
a lot of
let me take you back to 2018. In 2018, IBRAH was behaving the way he did this time.
2018?
2018, yeah.
Okay.
But then he called Honorable's name, Kenn Agyapong's name, for support. That he thinks he is the only honest politician who can save him. Yeah. So he thinks he's the only honest politician who can save him. But any other person who comes, want to take money from him, want to snitch on him and all those things. So at that point, we were able to attend to him, get him fixed, like we sought medical attention. We were able to fix him, and he became stable. So along the line, like between 2018 and 2020, he goes off sometimes, and then he's stable. He goes off and he's stable.
Explain that portion. Are you therefore suggesting that he fell sick or he was ill, he was not mentally sound? Is that what you're trying to suggest?
He not physically sick, like he has a condition that makes him act the way he does. He behaves strangely. If I say I will be here to sit and explain the kind of things he does, you won't even believe it.
In 2018?
In 2018, he did the same. That drew our attention to his
vituperations,
to his health. So when we got close to him, we realized that this guy needs help. So we started assisting him medically, and then he was stable. Then in 2020, he started again. So I was there when I saw messages that he was threatening Agyapong, he was daring him and all those things. So I was like, this guy. But me, all along, I know maybe Honorable has said about him, and then he will not even respond because he doesn't deserve any response from Honorable, to be honest with you. But some people will think it is deliberate, some people will think it is political, some people think it is calculated. It is nothing of this. And for you to think somebody will just come on social media, sit and say in 24 hours, the president will become a corpse, that is why I'm here.
I see. So
that is why I'm here. And it saddens my heart that I have to sit on a national television to declare the medical condition of my younger brother. My mom is home. she'll hear about this. My family is there. They are not happy. They are not. It's not like they are not happy. I'm doing this, but they are not happy. Somebody's medical condition, and if that person happens to be their brother, their son.
It's been divulged
to the public. But we have to do this for ourselves, for the nation. Because you cannot threaten the life of the first gentleman of the country,
that's
and
serious.
then people will go to sleep.
Exactly.
I know the intensity of whatever he has done, but this intensity can be made light because of his condition. And people think we are making excuses for him. We are not making excuses. We have a scientific report, and we all know scientific reports don't lie. You cannot. It is not something you can just go and create and then come and show. No, I know how Honorable does his things. When you give him something, he goes to investigate. I wouldn't put myself in trouble by bringing in a fake report to come and show to the whole of Ghana that IBRAH has a condition. So I'm not making excuses for him. I am telling the true state of IBRAH.
I see. As we speak, there are messages trickling in thick and fast. People are saying, hey, Honorable should not forgive him and all of that. Way back even before this program. And, you consider and you weigh the threat at him as a member of parliament, a man his own standing. And then also the president of the republic, you threaten him, as you said, quote, he will become a corpse and all of that. Juxtapose this to that of the citizenry, the large, people who believes that no, this guy must really face the music, meaning that he has really, caused a lot of harm with his words that has caused injury to the reputation of these personalities. So this is where the public are coming. Weigh this against that of what you have to say to satisfy all these people. Just a bit of that medical condition, if it has been diagnosed, and what may be this? Abbas.
IBRAH has bipolar.
Bipolar.
And he did not call for it.
I see.
It is something that can happen to me, it can happen to you, it can happen to anybody. It is not something that somebody should be happy about. It's something we all should feel sorry for him. It is a condition that comes to you when you don't expect. We never wanted to do this, but we have to save the good name of the good people of Ghana, and then we have to clear all this mess. So, unfortunately, I have to declare his condition, but I'm doing this with a very heavy heart.
I know.
Very, very heavy heart. He's my little brother. There are a lot of people with conditions, and their family manage them without anybody getting to know. But because he has touched the seat of government.
Yeah.
So we are restless.
Yeah.
So
that is he aware that you were coming to do this? And is he happy that you are doing this?
I myself am not happy I'm doing this. Nobody will be happy I'm doing this. But the right thing has to be done.
Okay.
Sometimes you have to forget about being happy and then do the right thing.
I see. So finally, what is it that you want to say to these two individual men, Kenn Agyapong and the president, and other persons that he has threatened?
Not just two individuals. I want to apologize sincerely and from my family that we are really sorry that somebody from our family has to cause all this mess to the nation, because this is a mess. And we are not saying it will not happen again, but we want people to just take it lightly. Anytime they see him post, we will try as much as we can to contain him. But anytime something like this happens, they should know he has a condition, and then that condition pushes him to do anything. We as a family, we are trying to restrain him, but we will do our best, but God knows best.
Great. God knows best. Abbas Dawood, thank you very much for passing through.
You're welcome.
If you have something to add to what you've said, if not, then we'll thank you for passing through
You're welcome.
here
You're
to, as it were, render your unqualified apology on behalf of the family. And I do believe that all well-meaning people would accept this apology, and then we take it from there. For Papa Yamini Din Komo, your friend Abbas Dawood, or IBRAH, some of Kaya last week, and I say a brand here, friend IBRAH, a man believed to be a businessman.